Alright, you think we should switch? Yeah, where do you think we should go? Do you think we should go further down or somewhere else?
We can't go further.
What time is it? Is it like 6?
5:23.
5:20? Do you want to try to go to John's Pass or Fort Soto? Nah, Fort Soto, I don't know. They close down at sunset. Will you shut up, Mr. Pole? Alright, I've had enough. Grunts and pins, grunts and pins. What's that?
Golf fishing pier, which one?
Or should we go to Gulfport?
Oh, we got a license, why not?
Is the pier open? Yeah, I think the pier's open. I just saw somebody fishing off there like a week ago on YouTube.
We can check it.
YouTube. Like and subscribe, guys.
Like and subscribe.
There we go. The annoying like and subscribe.
Out front somewhere. Like that roadway before you get into the thing.
Yeah? Fuck it. I mean, what's the worst we can do? Not catch fish?
Or under the bridge.
Yeah. I hate the teaser bites. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Is it the hook? Is it me setting it wrong? What is it doing? And then I'll show you guys how to do it right. Huh? What? You got all? Hey, yo. I think he's on, actually. No, he's not on. Yeah, let's go somewhere else. So we'll let you know when we're there.